Okay, here's the second video for 6-2 part 2. We're jumping up to example 5. After the radian measurement, by the way, they talked about an arc length formula. S equals r theta. We'll use that down here, not in this video, but I just want to make sure you remember, you see that it's up there. In example 5, they're doing a bunch of stuff in this lesson in the book. They want you to convert between degrees and radians. Okay, so we need to go back up. What I talked about just a second ago about a circumference is 2 pi, and I said 1/2 measurement around the circle is pi radians. Well, that's what we're going to use to convert. If we remember that 180 degrees is equal to pi, we're going to use that proportion or that ratio to convert back and forth. Here's the big phrase that pays right here. Whatever you want is the one you put on top of the fraction, and you'll see what I mean here in just a second. If I wanted to convert 40 degrees to radians, I want radians, so the pi is going to go on top. You multiply 40 times pi over 180. See how the one you want goes on top for the fraction? I want radians, so I put the pi on top. Pi is measurement in radians. Now I have to utilize my cross-canceling skill. Let's see, divide both those by 10, get rid of the zeros, divide 4 and 180 by 2. Let's see, that's going to be 2 over 90. Oh, I can divide by 2 again. Divide by 2, you get 1 over 45. Aha! So, that can't be right. 2 into 40 is, 2 into 180 is 90. Did I do this wrong? 40 degrees is not pi over 45. No, maybe it is. If I got it wrong, you guys can tell me later. Alright, how about if I have 9 pi over 10 radians and convert that to degrees? The one I want is degrees, so I'm going to multiply by 180. Put the one you want on the top, 180 over pi. Those things are always equal. See how the pi's cancel each other out right there? And let's see, 10 goes into 180 18 times. What's 9 times 18? Ugh, I don't know what 9 times 18 is. Hey, why don't I use my calculator? I don't do longhand stuff and make another mistake on this video. For shame. 9 times 18 is 162 degrees. So this must be 9 times 18, 162 degrees. Okay, here are some for you guys to try going both ways. So this one, go 2 radians, and this one, go 2 degrees. Pause it and see if you can figure it out. Alright, and here are those 2 answers. How did you do? That's the end of this video.